Where we going again? We're going to LA. Children of the Corn. What's up?
Wow, look, management really upgraded. Good job.
Hi, Children of the Corn.
It's from a black designer.
Oh.
Her name is Kaylana. No, I wasn't. I just was going like this. I'm not trying to cover it. Yes.
Can you like turn around? Like, can you lift the back so you can see the full? Oh, yeah.
It was a trip. She's barely in Miami. Miami sucks. So maybe we'll find it in an LA Target. But like,
please,
all
I didn't
her
see
good
nothing.
Stuff was sold out. But
That
she's
looks
like
fire.
Her page on Target. I had posted her on
I'm hungry. Can anybody hear me?
Prayer, my fast, no, not my fast. My prayer this season is for me to get better with responding and actually being
on Instagram.
Yeah.
You're an influencer. You need to.
But I suck at like responding. Welcome to sunny LA, where the host forgot to go on an actual bus. So now we have to walk 11 minutes. I'm on a train track right now. Thank God it's not active, but damn, bitch. Whew. You okay?
I'm great. I'm hungry.
Oh,
I
God.
want to eat.
Oh my God. You're gonna eat soon.
No, I need to eat now.
Oh my God.
Okay. That's awesome. Do you like it? Oh, wow. Well, all the best to you.
Thank you, you too.
Hot girl fall, you know?
Hey. I got you twice. 3 times.
Delete of 321, 303.
Oh, it's over there. 321 and 303. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. Ooh, ah. Oh. All right, Hyatt. I see you, sis. Okay. We got a little view. It's a backdrop. It's cute.
Yeah, see, Sam already knows. She was I was looking for it. I turned around. I was like, where is it? I said, yeah.
Yes, eyes is freaking. It's fun. It feels good though. I'm happy I put the what's that thing? The sunglasses on, so I don't keep touching my eye. It helped a lot. Yeah, when we first boarded, I was like, if you don't stop. I can't put drops in my eyes for sure.
Hi. We're headed to our next spot. And T looking cute.
She's looking fine.
She knows she want me to capture this moment. Yes, I do. Can you adjust this for me?
You gotta get from, you know, look.
I'm
Ooh.
looking like a whole
Damn, she thick. What's your name? Let me get your number.
My name is I Don't Want to Be Filmed.
Everybody has that person that don't want to ever be filmed. But then when they see them, they're like, oh,
I look good. Mm-hmm.
Why didn't you tell me I look this good?
It was 303, right?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, that's shit. Oh, we went around. That is so cute.
The police.
Bow, 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 bow. Hurry up. Housekeeping. First of all, I had this for like a good four.
It's recording. I got it.
This is how you change.
Oh, don't show them that.
What are you doing? Pilar, nobody needs to see this.
Why?
The idiot. The 88.
88.
Idiot.
Ooh, 4.5.
No.
They open at 5:30.
Yeah.
If y'all don't open this door, if y'all don't stop. Blue Bottle, come back to Miami, please. So we are currently at Blue Bottle. It's over there. I'm with Sam. We're at the Sensory Garden spot here in Malibu. Teresa, you want to say hi? Defeat the camera today. You look beautiful. Yeah, look at this.
Oh, it's so nice.
It's so cute. This is our beautiful friend T.
It's pretty bad.
Oh shit.
I absolutely had to go. So I held my breath the entire time.
Damn, somebody laid that. This is so beautiful. It's beautiful.
Oh yeah. It's really pretty.
We did a walk around the park.
Like, doing a tour?
No.
We messed you on.
See?
It's a video.
Cheers. Never below you, never above you, always beside you. Cheers, lady. Happy life anniversary. Woo. So we just got back from dinner. Don't remember the name. Oh, Wallflower. It was beautiful. Me and Sam had and then things were fire. And it was good. It was nice. And went to some bar called, what's the name of the bar? I was sleepy. It was a speakeasy. It was a speakeasy tea. But the spot that we went to, the bar, the Winkin. Oh, the Lincoln. It was good. T had a espresso martini, right? But with mezcal. This is the blog. The blog. An espresso martini, right? With mezcal. And Sam had it with tequila. So if you try it with mezcal, it tastes like a toffee nut. And if you try it with tequila, it tastes like cold brew.
You get the smoky with the mezcal.
This is our connoisseur. The hostess with the mostest. And this is a quick little outfit check. I got this from the Pretty Little Thing drop when, what's that girl? When Lala came out with it. I was scared, but it came out cute. Feet is swollen, but I wear these little shoes right here. And these are
on the vlog. Wait, bleep that out.
These are the beep bleep.
These are the beep me shoes. You see, they got the clear. You know,
it gives
you got the
business.
zigzag.
Thank you. It gives compilations. It's giving compilations. You feel me? It's giving
It's giving pattern block.
pattern block. It's giving let's get it together.
Abstract.
But we gotta clean this up. Yeah, I know. But I wanted to keep y'all updated. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow, which means next month for y'all. I am not. I refuse. But oh my, I hate packing. Look at this. Dog, this is a shame, bro. Look at this crap.
This is the not fun part about it.
That's the not fun part. Like, I wish airplane. All right, this is day 2. We are leaving this beautiful hotel. It's cute or whatever, but it's that moving by the AC for me. But let's check out my baby T. You feel me? This, Sam. Y'all, do y'all see? This is natural, y'all. What work? What work? Baby, damn, do y'all see her? But baby, Sam.
Girl, they're not ready for her.
Baby,
Teresa not even ready for her.
Teresa's not even ready for herself, but we're gonna do a little quick fit check. Pretty Little Things down. But Pretty Little Things, I need to fix these damn pants. First of all, it's the gapping in the back for me. I am not a size 12. I'm a size 14. This is giving size 16 at its max with the back. I thought the hump thing was gonna assist, but fit looking good. Homeless on bougie, I guess. She cute. She good. Sam. Fab.
We're being rushed out. We the late ones.
If it was ugly, then it would be a problem.